There you go, guys, just showing you this battery box I built for me 24 volt 100 amp hour Amptron lithium battery. I've put some 12 mil insulation, black ABS plastic, got some sticky tabs there to hold the handles when the lid goes on. Got the fuses there, 30 amp 24 volt for the supply in, and then 60 amp 24 volt going out. Just got a bus here, just bus there, media fuses. Then I got the two negatives looping onto here, and then the positive goes on there. Haven't got it hooked up yet. Yeah, basically got a 4 mil aluminium plate bottom. That's the back there. Use some threaded rod, some aluminium and some foam to hold the battery down in there. And then basically this is the lid that just slides over the top. Got a 10 mil Anderson plug, and then for the supply out, and then got a 6 mil for the 24 volt supply in from my DC to DC converter, 12 to 24, so it charges on the boat while it's underway. That's just made with a thin aluminium lid. Just not much to it really, it just slides on there. I'll just chuck it on. Basically that's the two positives, that's the two negatives. Should have really colour coded them, but that's only 10 mil I had, so here's what it is. I'll chuck the lid on. Yeah, that's basically how it sits. It's not the most beautiful thing on earth, but gets the job done. This material is only limited thickness, so I had to do a lid like this, but I'm pretty happy with it. So we'll get bolted down into the boat and forgot about it, hopefully. Had the Amptron battery for about a year now, just strapped with a bit of foam and a couple of Farsi straps, and hasn't missed a beat really. It was a little bit dear, it was like 1800 bucks, so I thought I better build this box here to retain all the components. But all in all, pretty happy with everything, how it's turned out. It's not my forte, carpentry and using plastic and all that sort of stuff. So this is just double-sided tape down, pretty strong 3M stuff, so she's not going anywhere, just for warranty on the battery. Yeah guys, that's about it. Thank you.